My name is Andrew Lupino. I'm the program chair for Computer Integrated Machining at Lenoir Community College. Students in the program can earn a 2-year associate's degree, diplomas, or even certificates. Students take classes in blueprint reading, machining calculations, manual machining, and CNC machining. They learn how to understand what a blueprint is requiring of them and work that all the way into operating machines and producing production style parts.
My name is Kinston. I am in my second year of the Computer Integrated Machining program. What I enjoy most about this program is actually just being able to physically work on things. I'm a type of person that likes to work with my hands and to make things. Like, we take small blocks of metal and turn them into intricate parts that can then be used for other purposes. Being over at this new facility we're at gives us access to the new machines and the new materials that are coming out, and helps us learn new techniques that are being used in the workforce today. After I complete the program here and get my associate's degree, I plan on moving into the workforce and getting a job as an operator and hopefully moving up in the ranks. If you're the type of person who enjoys working with their hands and being creative and making parts from nothing, then this would be a great fit for you.
Graduates of this program have the opportunity to work locally, regionally, and even worldwide.